Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to check MCB, whether it is in good condition or not. And please don't use a multimeter to check for this. Don't use a multimeter. If you use a multimeter to check for the condition of this MCB, and if this MCB is not in good condition, the multimeter is going to tell you that it is in good condition, and I'll explain why by the end of this video. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. I'm using this cable as my neutral cable, so I'll just connect it to the lamp holder. And this as the live cable. And this cable as the switch wire from the MCB to the lamp holder. Just insert it from here. Guys, just now I'm done with the connection, so I'll just insert the lamp and turn on my main breaker. Okay, so let's check if there is power here. There is power here, so I'll just turn it on. From this I can tell that the MCB is in good condition, and the reason why I said don't use a multimeter to check whether the MCB is in good condition or not is that it is the current that flows from the MCB to the lamp. That is what is going to make the MCB trip when it is not in good condition. And if you use a multimeter to check, it is not going to trip because there must be a current flowing from the MCB to the lamp or the load. So if you use the multimeter, there's no current that is going to flow from the multimeter to this MCB to check whether it is in good condition or not. So I'll advise you to stay away from that. Always use a load or a lamp to check whether your MCB is in good condition or not. And if it is not in good condition, whenever you connect it to a load and you turn it on, it's going to trip automatically. You turn it on, it's going to trip automatically, telling you that the MCB is not in good condition, because when you turn it on, there's a current flowing through it to the lamp or the load, and it is the current that's going to make it trip when it is not in good condition. And just now it is in good condition, so it will never trip unless the current flowing from the MCB to the lamp is more than this 10 amps over here. I have 10 amps here. Guys, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.